empty data streams, static hums beneath my skin. Something calls from broken screens. The ritual begins in the wasteland of forgotten code, where machine hearts learn to bleed. Digital liturgy unfolds. I am what I need. Fragments of old prayers remain, encoded in decaying files. My flesh becomes electric rain, crossing endless miles. In the wasteland of forgotten code, where machine hearts learn to bleed. Digital